Most regions of the world today deal with issues of self-determination. It was a question Nigeria had to deal with very early in nationhood, specifically in 1967, when disagreements arose over governance within the ruling Nigerian army. These issues, from the casualties in the first coup to the second coup, eventually resulted in the Nigerian Civil War that lasted from 1967 to 1970. There were disagreements regarding the spirit of the Aburi Accord, and without further ado, led to armed hostilities between the sides. Welcome to Idiomatics. My name is Helen, your idiomatic pleasure guide. Without further ado, I will begin today's discussion by stating that there are tens of thousands of idioms all over the world, with over 25,000 of them English. Since our medium of communication is English language, we will focus extensively on idioms in English, not minding that some may have originated elsewhere. We will have some fun exercises on selected native idioms and how they have come to shape us as a people. That will be later though. Idioms stem from historical, biblical, and psychological sources. Our featured idiom today, without further ado, is hinged on ado, a Tudor-era word for fuss or complications. This word can also be extended to mean formality or discussion. It is linked to Shakespeare's play, Much Ado About Nothing. That is, much fuss about nothing. The prefix "are" used to be common in English as a preface to verbs, and particularly gerunds, or verbal nouns. That is, any verb form ending in ing. To go a-walking, a-sorrowing, and so on. To round up, permit me to tickle your fancy by saying that idiomatics is the best thing since sliced bread. I encourage you to stay glued to this platform as we take this ride together. My desire is to leave a lasting impression on anyone I speak with henceforth. How about you? We implore you to hit the like button and share. Remember to subscribe and turn on your notification so you do not miss any episode. We really want to get your feedback to today's topic. Our motto is knowledge shared is knowledge gained. Another way of saying a penny for your thoughts, because I know it takes two to tango. How many idioms were used in today's episode? Write us, we'd really like to hear from you. I might just have a gift for the most imaginative answer. It's been a pleasure presenting today's episode. Thank you for watching. See you next time.